Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today, we are tackling a common issue. We'll show you how to safely remove a BNC connector from your DVR. These connectors can sometimes get stuck. It can be frustrating, but don't worry. We'll guide you through the process. First, let's understand why BNC connectors get stuck. Over time, corrosion can build up. This can make them difficult to twist and pull. Also, sometimes they are simply on too tight. Applying excessive force can damage the DVR or the connector itself. So, patience is key. Our first method involves using your fingers. Try gently twisting the connector back and forth. Apply slight pressure while you twist. See if it loosens up. Avoid squeezing the connector too hard. If this doesn't work, move on to our next method. This involves using pliers. Be very careful with this method. You don't want to damage the connector or the DVR. Use slip joint pliers or needle nose pliers. Grip the base of the BNC connector firmly. Gently twist the connector back and forth. While twisting, try to pull it straight out. Avoid twisting too aggressively. This could break the connector. If the connector is still stuck, try using a lubricant. A small amount of WD-40 or contact cleaner can help. Spray a tiny amount of lubricant around the base of the connector. Let it sit for a few minutes. This allows the lubricant to penetrate. Then, try twisting and pulling the connector again. The lubricant should help loosen any corrosion. Remember to wipe off any excess lubricant. If none of these methods work, consider seeking professional help. A qualified technician can remove the connector without causing damage. Sometimes, the connector is simply too damaged. In this case, it might need to be replaced. Replacing a BNC connector is a more complex task. It often requires soldering. If you're not comfortable with soldering, leave it to the professionals. Attempting to solder without experience can damage your DVR. Also, always disconnect the power before working on any electronic device. Safety is paramount. Taking your time and using gentle methods is always best. Applying too much force can lead to costly repairs. That's it for removing a BNC connector. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. We appreciate your feedback. Thanks again, and have a great day.